In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Google Wallet. If you want to use PayPal for contactless payments or make checkout a little more convenient on your Android device, the process is usually very simple. The exact screens may vary slightly depending on your phone model, your region, and the version of Google Wallet you're using, but the overall setup follows the same basic flow. To get started, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look for the option that says Add to Wallet and tap it. This is where you can connect new payment methods and other supported items to your digital wallet. Next, choose Payment Card. This tells Google Wallet that you want to add a card or payment source that can be used for purchases. After that, look for PayPal in the list of available options. In some cases, PayPal will appear directly as its own choice, making the setup especially easy. If you see it, simply tap PayPal to continue. If PayPal is not listed directly, don't worry. In that case, you can add your PayPal debit card number the same way you would add any standard payment card. Carefully enter the card details exactly as requested on screen. It's a good idea to double check the information before moving on so you don't run into avoidable verification issues. Once you continue, you may be asked to log into your PayPal account to authorize the connection. This step allows Google Wallet and PayPal to securely link together so the payment method can be used properly. Follow the prompts on screen and complete the sign-in process. Depending on your setup, PayPal may also ask you to create or confirm a PIN. If that happens, go ahead and set a PIN that you can remember easily but that still feels secure. This is sometimes used as part of the authorization or security process, so just follow the instructions provided. After everything is approved, your PayPal payment method should be connected to Google Wallet and ready to use. Before you rely on it for a purchase, it can be helpful to open Google Wallet once more and confirm that the payment method appears correctly in your wallet. That's all it takes to add PayPal to Google Wallet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.